Arduino just changed everything. What if you could run Linux, Python, and still manage hardware in real time? Hi everyone, I am Tark, and today we are going to talk about what might be the biggest evolution in the Arduino history, the Arduino UNO Q. Now before we dive in, here's a quick heads up. This video is the part of the AIoT Design Challenge 2026, India's premier electronics design contest, brought to you by electronicsforyou.com, sponsored by DigiKey. Now, let's get into what makes this board so different. For years, Arduino has been the go-to platform for building interactive electronics with a powerful microcontroller supporting C++, Python, and many more languages. And the UNO Q takes that foundation a step further. This is a hybrid board where you get two brains, a microcontroller for precise real-time control and a microprocessor running Linux for heavy computing. So in addition to the reliable hardware control that Arduino is known for, you can now also run Linux application with built-in intelligence. Now, to understand that, we need to look inside the board. First, the powerful side. The board runs a Qualcomm processor with a 2 GHz ARM Cortex A53. And yes, it runs Debian Linux. That means you can run Python, handle networking, build AI and computer vision applications, and use it like a small Linux computer all on this board. And this is basically like having a mini computer built into your Arduino. Then we have the traditional Arduino side, a microcontroller running up to 160 MHz with real-time operating system. The main function of this side is to handle precise timing, sensor reading, and motor control. If one side thinks, the other one acts. Now this separation is the magic. You can process data in Python on Linux, while the microcontroller handles precise hardware control in C++. The result, high-level computing and real-time performance working together. Physically, it still looks like the classic Arduino UNO, but under the surface, it's a completely different machine. The board runs on a 3.3 volt logic, and the pins A0 and A1 are not 5 volt tolerant. Mess that up and you can permanently damage your board. Now let's talk about its core features. Out of the box, you get a built-in Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1 with BLE, and an LED matrix display for quick visual outputs. But the real upgrade is on the back. You get two high-speed connectors, JMISC and JMedia. JMISC handles audio interfaces and dedicated power lines, while JMedia is designed for high-bandwidth devices like cameras and display outputs. These aren't normal Arduino pins. They are specialized data lanes designed to handle large amount of data in real time. This is exactly why this board includes GPUs and image processors. The official expansion modules for these ports aren't fully available right now. But once they are, then this board can unlock serious applications like computer vision, real-time video processing, and edge AI. And that is where the real potential of UNO Q starts to show. Now here's where things get really different. We move from sketches to apps. In AppLab, one project contains the Python code, C++ code, and a built-in communication bridge. So you're not managing two systems now, it's all unified. Then there is something called bricks. These are pre-built modules for complex tasks like APIs, AI models, and web features. So instead of writing everything from scratch, just plug it in and use it. Here's how everything works. Python sends a command and the microcontroller executes it instantly. Also, the LED on this board is active low. So driving the pin low actually turns it on. Yes, it is inverted as compared to what the usual behavior is. Setting this board up is not like a normal Arduino. Now I had already flashed Linux onto the board, so I'll not be able to show the complete installation process here. But if you need a dedicated setup tutorial or need help setting it up yourself, do let us know in the comment section below and we'll be happy to help you out.
What is special about this board is that it can run in three distinct modes. The first one being the PC mode, where you plug it into your computer and run the program normally. Second comes the SBC mode, where we can use it as a full Linux computer with a monitor, keyboard, and mouse. For this, we need a powered USB-C hub. The third is the network mode, where we can access the board wirelessly over Wi-Fi. This is where it starts to feel futuristic.
And this is way beyond traditional Arduino projects. The UNO Q isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete shift from simple embedded systems to intelligent connected machines. And honestly, we are just scratching the surface. Arduino has always been a powerful platform for makers. But if you want to combine that simplicity with the power of Linux and high-level applications, Arduino UNO Q might just be the next big step. So that was all for today. Do like and share the video, and to keep learning and keep building with us, subscribe to Electronics for You because technology drives us.